Hey food lovers, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you a very delicious recipe for fried rice. I have two ways of achieving this, and let's get started. Right now I'm just going to prepare my stock and chicken stock. I'll be needing celery, peppers and ginger, onion, pepper. All of this you will see the exact measurement in the description box. Please do well to check it out. So right now I'm just trying to chop up my aromatics into really fine size. I like them really cut well, so this manual food processor is going to help me achieve that. And it's ready. So in goes my chicken now, and I'm just going to dunk in all my vegetables and season it up and cook up my meat. If you hate chopping onion, you're absolutely gonna love this manual food processor. I love it so much. I'm gonna leave the link from where I got it in the description box. It's very helpful. It's my kitchen aid, but without a price tag. So I'm just gonna season with some salt and seasoning cube. And in goes my thyme and curry powder. Is that thyme? Sorry, rosemary and some bay leaves. And now I'm just gonna add up water. I just want my water to be the same level as the chicken, and that's it. But while it's cooking, you're gonna top it up with water because you have so much water evaporating, so you just do have to always top it up so it doesn't burn. But here you go. It's almost ready, and it's ready now. I just took out the meat and I have this concentrate, so I'm just going to strain it and have my liquid to cook up my rice. So this is the secret ingredient to this amazing recipe. It comes from the stock, and I'll just advise you guys, if you want to try this recipe, just try to stick to everything I use at this point so that you have that amazing delicious fried rice. So it's really good. There's something about that pepper and celery combination that does so well, and the ginger and the garlic. It's a no-brainer. You just have to try it. So this is the secret. This is my secret. It comes from the stock preparation, so yeah. And so guys, I'll still just go in with more water. I'm just trying to strain out as much stock as possible from the vegetables, and that's what I'm trying to achieve. Like I said earlier, I have two methods of preparing fried rice. One, I tend to parboil my rice, and the second, I use raw rice. So for this method, I'm using completely uncooked rice. So whenever I use uncooked rice, I tend to give it a really good rinse to just eliminate most of the starch. And now I'm just gonna season my rice, and I just added half a teaspoon of turmeric and seasoning cube. I love turmeric for fried rice. It gives it that gorgeous, vibrant, beautiful color, and the smell is amazing. So guys, you want to try it out. And right now I'm just gonna add my last seasoning, which is rosemary, and then my rice is ready to go into the instant pot. The instant pot has a program of a rice cooker, so I use that, and that's it. And right now I'm just gonna fry my chicken, and I'm just looking out to make it golden brown and delicious. I also love to add onion whenever I'm frying chicken or any kind of meat. It helps to add that beautiful aroma of the onion to the meat, so I really like to do that. And now you see the chicken is almost ready to come out. It looks really delicious. You can as well grill your meat, but sometimes I just love to indulge. That's why I have fried chicken today. So right now it's time to prepare our vegetables, and in goes 1 cup of oil. I use canola oil and my minced onion. I really like my onion finely chopped, so I love it. It's helped to release the flavor. So now whenever you're working with onion, it's always good to try to cook it longer as much as possible. It just helps to release that beautiful flavor of onion. So that's what I'm trying to achieve here. So I tend to cook my onion down for like 5 minutes before adding in any vegetables. So try to do the same. And so guys, for this recipe we are working with frozen vegetables, mixed vegetables, and although the peppers are fresh, but peppers take very little time to cook. So in goes the mixed vegetables. Really easy. And now I'm just gonna add my fresh green pepper. I love them fresh. I love that aroma, and the red pepper. So this vegetable is just gonna take like 2 minutes or 3 to cook down. Nothing more, nothing less. Remember, frozen vegetables are already cooked, so you don't want to overcook them. They're gonna lose their vibrant color. So I'm just gonna season again with seasoning cube, some salt, and thyme, and I give it a good stir. Voila, it's ready. So we're just going to introduce the vegetable to the rice, and you see the rice looks so gorgeous. It came out really well. So we're just going to mix everything in, and our fried rice is ready. I love the texture. It's so beautiful. And I love my fried rice to come out this color. I love the pale green color. If you want it darker, feel free to add more turmeric or curry powder. So we're just incorporating the vegetables into the rice, and that's it. So gorgeously delicious. Do you want to take? Do you want to taste? Of course, I'm hungry right now. So this is fit for any party. You're gonna have your guests coming back for seconds, trust me. And the beauty of this recipe, it's really, really easy. So I love it so much. This is what I used to wow my guests. I'm just trying to garnish my rice with some parsley and spring onions, and now in goes my fried chicken. And more garnish with some cherry tomatoes. Voila, it's ready. And for my next version of fried rice, we're going to be using pretty much raw veggies. So let's get started. So for this one, we are just going to follow the same method as cooking down our onion. We add some rosemary while cooking the onion. And when you're working with raw veggies, oh, I forgot, guys, we have liver for this one. So liver. You want to cook your liver first so that it takes all that juices the onion is going to release, so it's going to make it extra delicious, because I know most people don't like liver, but with this method you're going to have the most beautifully delicious liver. So for the sake of this video, I cooked that liver for like 5 minutes to really brown it up. And now I just added my carrots. The carrot is the first vegetable that must go in if you are working with raw veggies, because it has more crunch. And I'm just going to cook that carrot down for a minute before I introduce my green beans. And we're also going to cook that down for like a minute. And now we're going to add other veggies like the sweet corn, which is already cooked. So you add it, and it's not just going to take much time. You're just trying to incorporate it into the seasoning. And peas also. This is frozen peas. I prefer to use frozen for peas. It has a beautiful, gorgeous green color, and it retains its color. And green pepper now. And we just mix. I love to add my veggies in terms of peppers last, because they tend to wither quickly if you cook them for long. So if you want that green vibrant color, you want to add your green peppers or your bell peppers last. And I'm just going to season with some curry powder. And now my red bell pepper. I love to add it last because I love the red vibrant color and I want it to pop out in my rice, so it goes in last. And salt. So I just gave it a taste and it tastes so good. And now we are just gonna mix our rice and veggies together. So for this method, why I tend to use the pan and incorporate in batches is because if you have those rice that are stuck to each other, this is the best method for it. So you just want to wake up that rice by trying to toast them up. So that's what the pan method is used for. If you have a wok, awesome for you. So can you see how beautifully gorgeous these vegetables are? They look so vibrant and they are cooked and they are seasoned. So it's really amazing. So try this recipe, guys. Cook your vegetables according to their crunch. So the most crunchy vegetables go in first. The least crunchy will go in last. And you just have that beautiful, gorgeous color. do this in batches, and this is my second batch. So guys, while we feed with our eyes, have you subscribed to my channel? Please guys, subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share them, and I will see you in my next one. Always remember, a family that dines together make merry together. Be part of my success story guys, and encourage my channel by subscribing. So guys, this is the outcome of the rice. Toasting it up really helped separate them, and thank you for watching.